Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the CF Scarcity plugin in CloudFunnels. Let's go. First, let's install the plugin. In your dashboard, click Plugins on the left sidebar. Then, click on Add New Plugin. You can install the plugin in two ways, from the marketplace or if you have a zip file, you can upload it here. I have a zip file, so I choose Upload a Plugin. Then, toggle the button to enable the plugin. When it's enabled, you will see the plugin on the left sidebar. Click on it, then click on All Setups. Here, you can edit the banner settings. First, let's set the theme. Right now, we have two themes to choose from. I'm choosing Theme 1. In the Apply To, there are three options: Specific Page, Shortcode Only, and Specific Funnels. For Specific Page, the banner will appear in specific pages. It will appear on one or two pages. For Shortcode Only, you can use the banner using the shortcode. For Specific Funnels, this option allows you to use the banner in all funnels or specific funnels. For example, I am going to select all funnels. Next is the bar appearance. You can change the bar color, catch line, and catch line color. In this example, the default catch line is "This offer expires in." Next is the Show Action button. If you want to show an action button in the banner, like Subscribe Now, click on this checkbox to make some changes. You can change the text of the button here. You can choose the background color and button color. Additionally, if you want to set any link to a page, just paste the URL here. So when a customer clicks on this button, they will be redirected to that page. Next is the timer configuration. You can select time zone, while this one is the countdown timer. You can also choose the text color of the timer. Next is the show image. If you want to show your product image, check on this box and upload your product image here. If you want to redirect a customer to a specific page after clicking the image, just paste the URL here. The last one is effect. Your banner will appear on the page in any of these effects. Shake, bounce and left, then you can select the effects here. Let's check this banner. You can see the banner on the lower part of the page. Let's try to change the effect of the banner to shake. Refresh the page. Here you can see the banner effect has changed. Let's try to change the color. Again, refresh the page to see the changes. And that's it on how to install and use the CF Scarcity plugin in CloudFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.